What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking the doors as well as the roof off the Jeep Gladiator. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how that process works as well as how long it takes me. So stay tuned. Let's get this done. All right, so I actually got a head start. I took off the driver door and the roof. So the roof is just two panels, one on the passenger, one on the driver. And those are just 4 clamps that go 1, 2, 3, and then there's one back here, 4. So 4 on each side, 8 total. As far as the door, I'm going to show you guys how the passenger door works, but look how sick that looks. Driving this thing down the road was so weird. Basically all we did was take off a bolt here, and then one bolt here, and the door pops right off. I'm going to show you guys again how I did that. One thing I want to get are the mirrors that go here and on the passenger side. I know it's illegal to drive with no mirrors. I know you could drive with only one, but both missing is illegal. I also want to get the foot pegs that you put here, one on each side, so that when you're driving you can have like 1 foot out the window or out the door, which is really cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these back doors off as well as the passenger. Look how sick that's gonna look. All right, so for the passenger side, you want to start off by having the windows down. It's going to make things a lot easier. Let me show you guys another thing. The Jeep actually came with a little toolkit. There it says Jeep. Comes with tools as well as a instruction manual on how to take the doors off. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how that works. So all you're going to need is this ratchet that it comes with. Let's go this way. And then first is this piece right here. First thing I'm going to want to do is undo these bolts. We got one here and then one on this side. And I'll show you guys what that looks like when I'm done. Okay, so I got these two off. Let me show you what the next bolt looks like, or screw that you got to take off, is this one right here. So this basically doesn't let the door fling open. This is the last thing you got to take off, and then unhook this wiring harness and you're done. Check out how this is done. So for this bolt, you actually got to swap out the head and use this longer one on that ratchet that they give you. So let me go ahead and do that and show you guys how that works. I'm going to go ahead and undo this wiring harness first because it's kind of in the way, and then I'll show you guys how that bolt comes off. So to open the door for the wiring harness, all you do is reach behind it and kind of wiggle it off. It's got a little thing that keeps it from falling completely off. But here's the trick. So you see this red pin that's got to go off. There it is. And then there's also a safety measure that's right, where is it here? Pull that down, and then this white thing flips completely upside down. Okay, so I unhooked the safety measure, and then this white thing just goes all the way up like that, and this part comes right out. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is unscrew that last bolt, and the door should be loose. Check this out. Take off that bolt. Now check out what Jeep did to make things easier to grab the door. You can actually reach your hand under here, grab the door, and it comes right off. That's how you take a door off a Jeep, boys. All right, so I'm going to do a similar process to the back doors and then show you guys what the end product looks like. Stay tuned. And just like that, the doors are off the Jeep. In total, it took me about 30 to 45 minutes, and now I kind of know what I'm doing, so I might cut that time down a little bit, but check out what it looks like. That is so sick. Can't wait to make a ton of videos with this thing in the summer. I also need to take this thing off, but I don't think I'm going to do that today. Looks like a 2-person job. Well, there it is, guys. Got this off. So I think I'm going to go for a quick cruise. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like with the doors off. and kind of the process of how that thing works. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.